Hey guys, happy Friday. It is September 8th. You're walking this fella. Before we get into the recap, I only want to take 10 seconds to thank everybody who's been joining the live streams. We've had some really good conversations there about trading, about just life. I invite you, if you haven't been logging into the live streams at Market Open, to join us. It gets pretty fun. We talk about some very interesting things, and obviously we trade. And this morning we took a trade 20, maybe 25 minutes after Market Open, and we were able to score $1,900 really. Not a bad trade. It only took us 8 minutes. Who wouldn't be happy with $1,800 in 8 minutes? So without further ado, let's get into the recap, and I hope you all have a great weekend. See ya. Oh, also I forgot to say, like and subscribe if you can. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And make sure you turn on notifications. I know that's kind of like so annoying to hear, but that's the only way that you'll be notified when I go live, and hopefully you can join me and the community, and we can trade together. This doesn't have to be something you do on your own, and that's one of the things that I like about the community we're building here. So yeah, like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Now time for the recap.
So what do you guys think? You think it's gonna go fill the gap? Playing in two contracts here. Gonna add two more here. Gonna play this like my live account. Take profits at 350-ish. There we go. All right, guys. Oh, there we go. 1,885. Not bad, right? That's usually how I play my live accounts. Usually I would have held that a little longer too. But that's gonna be it for today. So you saw one trade. I'm gonna say we went in at 9:56 or so. We added at 9:59, added again at 10:02, and got out at 10:04. So 8-minute play, nearly $2,000. That's how you trade. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. Bye now.